Hey everybody, out of here on a brisk January day. It's almost February. We're going to do something simple today. This is Lola, Mindy's 2012 Civic. You've seen we've done plenty of stuff to it, oil change, just different things. Cleaned the headlights, they need it again, blah, blah, whatever. But today we're going to do something super simple. We're going to replace the wiper blades. I know everybody's like, well, everybody knows how to replace wiper blades. But you would not believe how many people, when I worked at Advance, Ben said, I don't know how to replace wiper blade. So the first thing you need to do when you replace wiper blades on any car, you have to know what size they are. Most cars you will have a bigger driver than passenger. So we have a 26 and a 22. Okay, I got these at Advance. They're AC Delco brand. They're just plain regular wipers. It's winter. I don't like putting the really nice beams on in the winter because you're just going to beat them up. This car is very easy as opposed to my Q50, because on the Q50 they actually go under the hood, but on this one you can just pull them up like that and knock that down. So these, I've never done this car, but it should be pretty similar to everything else. So on this Civic, it has, these are the factory style wipers. These were probably replaced at the dealer last time, but it has this little tab right here. Grab it, pull it up, and then it just slides down. Okay, same thing on this side. Grab it, pop it up, just pull it up. It just pulls up. Just get your fingernail under there, pull it up, and then it will slide down and pop off. For the new ones, I'm gonna set you all down real quick. The new ones, ooh, make sure you don't slide off the car. The new ones, this is the most common size, common style of wiper. Take your new ones, if I can get them open. Well, new ones, it is the reverse. As you can see here, this, it even has a little arrow, tells you, you literally just hook it in and you'll feel it click. Okay, and I always go back and forth, check, make sure. Okay, some of these have, some of them will have a little plastic guard over that. Put that one down, put you down, we'll open this package. Same thing. Literally just goes in, you feel it click, boom. Like I said, give it a little snuggy snug, and you're done. Take your old ones, put them in this package, put them in recycling. You just replace your wiper blades. A lot of places will do this for you for free. My recommendation is go in, ask for wipers sometimes, especially at Advance. They have a commercial account. You can get the CarQuest brand. These AC Delcos were like $5 or $6 cheaper than the ones in the store, and I got them the next day, so there's nothing wrong with them. Like I said, put those old ones in here, put them in your recycling. You just replace your wiper blades. Easy 5-minute job. So hope this helps somebody. Hey everybody, out of here.